Recently, a group of us were discussing the beginning of Forever, how we got started, and some of the challenges we faced. It was not an easy time. In fact, let's be honest, there's rarely an easy time in business or in life. There always seems to be somebody or something that is a distraction or offering a shortcut by offering a take the work out of becoming successful. But take this from me, success is always on the other side of hard work. There are no shortcuts. There's always one more hill to climb or a bend to navigate. I'm constantly asked, what is the secret to success? I appreciate being asked this question as it shows a willingness and appetite to succeed. I think you already know that there is no secret to success. But there is a formula for success in Forever that I have broken down into 5 parts. You will not be surprised by any of them. In fact, some of you may be disappointed as there is no magic bullet. Number 1 is build a solid, recurring customer base through perfect follow-up and customer service. 2, use the products. And 3, be 4 case credit active and show your groups how to do the same. 4, sponsor every month. And 5, work towards qualifying for every incentive. They're all there to guide you as you build your business. All the pin positions, Eagle Manager, Global Rally, Chairman's Bonus, and all of your local incentives, and they're to challenge you and reward you for working hard. See, I told you there is no secret. Follow these 5 basic principles constantly and consistently, and you will maximize the Forever Marketing Plan. I miss you all, but you're all in great hands. Greg is a great son and a fantastic leader for our company. I'm thrilled at what he is achieving, and I know that you'll be well taken care of. His Double Your Effort initiative is a great idea, and I encourage you to get on board and promote it in your groups. What a difference it will make if we all do a little bit more. Thank you for all your hard work, for having the courage to push on and continue to build your Forever legacy. It's hard to comprehend that we are approaching 40 years in business. What a wonderful time to be part of the greatest opportunity in the world. Stick with it. There will be great times and some tough times. But if you hold true to the 5 principles I mentioned, you'll achieve all you ever dreamed of and more. See you soon, and I love you all forever.